How often do I use green Lucky Bamboo plant food? Green by Dong Buk USA Incorporated, is a brand of plant fertilizer. This pre-mixed liquid, which contains a mixture of nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, qualifies as a complete fertilizer, the plant equivalent of a multivitamin. Green is advertised for use with both indoor and outdoor plants, specifically Lucky Bamboo plants. Frequency. Add green fertilizer on a weekly basis. Fertilizer should be added after refreshing the water in the plant pot, if you are growing your Lucky Bamboo hydroponically in water, without soil. Application. Apply 2 to 3 drops of green per shoot. For example, if your plant has 2 shoots, use 4 to 6 drops. Fertilizer should be added directly to the water in the plant pot. Take care not to spill fertilizer on the exposed plant shoots or leaves, as concentrated fertilizer can cause harm to the plant. Benefits. Green claims that its fertilizer will prevent disease, brighten coloration and increase healthy growth of young shoots. There is no evidence to support these claims. Use of fertilizer is not essential to Lucky Bamboo growth, as plants will survive without the added nutrients provided by fertilizer. Considerations. David Gerald Hessian, botanist and author of The Houseplant Expert, advises against the use of plant fertilizers with Lucky Bamboo. In his book, he states that the plant will thrive without artificial nutrients if growers regularly change the water in the plant pot with a fresh supply of soft water. To make soft water, boil and cool regular tap water or add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar for every liter of water. These methods will help neutralize lime content.